Rebel Stepz is a community-focused arts organisation. We're all about making the arts accessible for everyone out there, especially for people who may not have the opportunity to engage in the arts. You know, not everyone can afford to go to the theatre, or some people get intimidated by the thought of going to an art gallery. So yeah, it's all about making the arts accessible to everyone, educating them in a safe, fun environment, creating workshops and events that showcase artistic talent, as well as sharing it with the community around us. We work with so many fabulous artistic, creative people. We're just so blessed. We look to work with musicians, dancers, actors, writers, the list goes on. So yeah, we work with anyone that represents arts in any form. Theatre technicians, sound engineers, lighting designers, costume designers, makeup artists. So yeah, it's really about taking every aspect of the arts and finding people that are really leading initiatives within their field, sharing their experiences with everyone and helping us create magical experiences, artistic experiences for the community. Absolutely, our workshops can benefit mental health, there's no doubt about it. You know, we are all living such a fast-paced life. We're all on our phones or on computers, digitally, you know, very stressed, and life is busy. We all have, you know, our individual stresses and strains. So to put all that down for a couple of hours and push it to the side and do something that, you know, is different and might challenge you in other ways, but doesn't stress you out, you know, it's just fabulous seeing people come in and leave a workshop and just sort of tell us how fabulous it was to let loose and relax and discover something new and, you know, just expand on a new skill they never even thought they had. So yeah, I would say the well-being factor in everything that we do is through the roof. Absolutely 100% good for your mental health. We are always looking to collaborate with artistic and creative people. It doesn't matter what shape or form that may come in. You know, part of what we do is not just provide workshops and events for our guests, it's also about supporting artists. You know, the arts is a really hard industry to maintain and to get into, so any way that we can showcase local talent or international talent it's just a real blessing for us. So yeah, we are always encouraging people to get in touch, and if you've got an idea that you want to build, and it doesn't even matter, the quirkier the better, we love it. So yeah, I would say any creative people, please touch base with us and let's see what we can develop and put out there.